let the shadow do the investigating from now on, Margot.
I knew it was dangerous, but surely it was worth what I uncovered.
What was that, Margot?
That LeBeau has assembled an international team of super thieves to help him break into the vault.
Why would he need so many heavy hitters if he'd have to split the loot with them?
Well, I did overhear him tell a henchman that after they cleaned out the vault, he was going to kill them all.
Wait a minute. That would make him the greatest bank robber alive. Very diabolical.
What kind of sick mind would do that?
Modern science is still grappling with it.
What are you going to do?
I've got to stop them. They may be thieves, but they didn't join this heist to become murder victims.
They're trying to
This
put
calls
us
for
in
a
the
visit
corner.
from a shadow.
But Lamont, even with the shadow's ability to cloud men's minds or become invisible, this group is just too dangerous. You could get hurt.
Margot, I simply have no choice.
Nikolai, have you almost broken through to the code? American cinder blocks are strong, but they are no match for overwhelming Russian muscles. I will have you whole in moments. How much more time? Ah! See? I break through! Now I make wider so I can get my Sanitska through.
We're broken through, yes.
Back to your post, apprentice. I don't need you yet.
Well, maybe I've decided on a different post for myself. Right here.
Choose your words carefully, monsieur. You do not want to cross.
Listen here. You hired me. Hired all of us. Because you wanted the best. But here I stand as a common lookout.
You'll get what's coming to you when I say so. Now don't make me help you.
Hey! What are you doing? I pay attention to my instincts. And they're telling me our boss man here is up to no good. So I think I'll just use a little motivation technique I learned in the Foreign Legion to extract the information I need.
You want to torture LeBeau?
We won't have to if he talks now. But I can see I might have to.
There's just one problem.
What's that, old boy?
I have the gun.
I guess I can see why we were frisked on the way in.
I am not understanding. Is double cross happening?
Forget what I said. I was being silly. All right?
A little late for that.
But I thought you needed me.
I have a greater need for you to be dead.
You shot him.
Please? But c'est impossible! What is the meaning of this?
Without him, you will have a bigger share of the money. Do you have a problem with that?
No. Fire away.
And I won't miss this time.
No!
You idiot! You shot me!
Something is affecting my aim. It feels like something is crawling inside my mind.
What was that?
I know that laugh.
Oh, it's the shadow!
I have heard of this phantom.
Your crime spree is over, LeBeau.
You may be invisible, but I am told my mind is quite twisted and has many dark corners even you cannot enter. And can you dodge bullets this easily? Ha!
Ah, damn it, now you shot me, you idiot!
No! Where's the gun?
The shadow is affecting his mind.
You think the shadow fears the dark corners of your mind, LeBeau? On the contrary.
I say I'm shot!
It's only a flesh wound, which is a lot better than what LeBeau had planned for you.
What are you talking about?
He was going to kill every one of you.
I don't believe it. Well, he is a bad guy. Maybe I do.
But why?
Because if he killed you all, LeBeau would then be the greatest living thief. Something worth more to him than all the money in the vault.
That's just sick!
And the reason he only had you standing guard.
Yes, it's true. I'm already ridiculously rich. Oh, the vault added value to me, all right. To attract all of you to this heist, so I could exterminate your dear stupid reputations.
I kill you, LeBeau!
I just knocked him out. I'm probably not going to be as gentle on you, LeBeau, unless you give up now.
You think you're so smart, but I found the gun. Prepare to die.
How can you hit me if I'm right behind you?
But how did you? Oh!
That takes care of that.
Help me!
The police will be arriving with medical assistance in a moment. And to arrest you, of course.
So because everyone survived, LeBeau doesn't get to be known as the best living thief after all.
He may still try to convince his cellmates.
What I don't understand is, how could he kill others so ruthlessly?
It's something modern medicine refers to as psychopathic behavior, where neurotransmitters in the brain misfire and allow for violent acts without remorse.
That's horrid. Do they know how it happens?
No, but it's quite rare. I'm just glad we were able to get LeBeau. We don't need psychopaths in our vaults, or any other part of our banking system for that matter.
The weed of crime bears bitter fruit. Crime does not pay. The shadow knows.
And that was The Shadow, brought to you by Bosco Chocolate Syrup.
I love Bosco, it's rich and chocolatey. Chocolate flavored Bosco is mighty good for me.
Mama puts it in my milk for extra energy.
Bosco gives me iron and sunshine, vitamin D. Oh, I love Bosco, that's the drink for me.
And now the Nabisco Radio Variety Hour brings you the Frankie Thornhill Orchestra, the fabulous Trixie Trio, and the comedy stylings of the hilarious Eugene Pinkerton. This episode of the Nabisco Radio Variety Hour will be transmitted to our men and women overseas by shortwave radio through the worldwide services of the Armed Forces Radio Service. Thank you. New sponsor. Greetings from our Los Angeles studios. I'm your host, Erskine Tucker. This show is brought to you by Lux Toilet Soap. New sponsor. Now, I could tell you Lux Toilet Soap is a great product, but I'd rather read you this actual letter they received for the first time. After using your product, I wouldn't think of ever doing without my Lux Toilet Soap. It's a grand help for a woman who wants to keep her complexion as attractive as possible. Lux Toilet Soap. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we bring you the Trixie Trio singing Don't Sit Under the Apple Tree.
I wrote my mother, I wrote my father, and now I'm writing you too. I'm sure of mother, I'm sure of father, now I want to be sure, very sure of you. Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me, anyone else but me, anyone else but me. No, 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 don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else but me, till I come marching home. Don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me, anyone else but me, anyone else but me. No, 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 don't go walking down Lover's Lane with anyone else but me, till I come marching home. I'm so afraid of the plans we made underneath those moonlit skies. So they go underground to stay, the stars get in your eyes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the hilarious Eugene Pinkerton has chosen to join us on this occasion at this very moment. Hello, Mr. Pinkerton.
Well, hello.
I understand you just flew in from New York.
Oh, I did, and boy, are my arms tired.
Okay, I think we've heard that one before.
Oh, you've heard it before? Why, is there an echo in here?
So I understand that you just got married. You just tied the knot. Is that true?
I did. Yes, I did. Thank you.
How's that going?
Oh, well, it's going quite badly. Very, very badly.
Okay, this is going great. All right. Listen, I think we have another commercial, and we've heard all we're going to hear of Eugene Pinkerton.
Another commercial? Are you serious? Another commercial? What is this? The variety commercial show? A variety show?
Okay, that's very
commercial
funny. I don't have anything
hour?
funny to say. I just...
Oh, I do have something funny to say. You guys want to know something funny? You guys want to hear something funny?
Yeah.
You guys want to hear something funny?
Yeah.
All right, well, get this. In this guy's dressing room, there are these pink negligees hanging up everywhere, and not a woman to wear them. That's funny.
You must be in the wrong dressing room. Yeah.
No, I'm in the right dressing room. It is the one labeled Eugene
A commercial is
Pinkerton.
excuse me.
Is that me?
I think it's a commercial.
That's me,
We've been
actually.
doing the commercial.
Those are my negligees, everybody. Well, have a good night. It was nice knowing you.
I love Bosco, it's rich and chocolatey. Chocolate flavored Bosco is mighty good for me.
Mama puts it in my milk for extra energy.
Bosco gives me iron.
And sunshine vitamin D.
Oh, I love Bosco, that's the drink for me.
Ricky Thornhill Orchestra.
Hey, look, guy. Get out of your lot, civilian. You better stand in. Okay? This is a military operation here. American citizens, still within the sound of my voice, please seek shelter immediately. There's an unidentified object over the airspace of Los Angeles, and we are in a state of war. The United States Army is here to protect you. Please, take shelter immediately. It's already begun. What are you all waiting for? Move! Citizens of Los Angeles, the United States Army is here to protect you. Please, understand, it's not in here.
I'm scared.
Blackouts and air raid sirens continued to terrify the citizens of Los Angeles on February 24th, 1942.
Yep.
Just a few short months after the attacks on Pearl Harbor. That night, the 37th Coast Artillery Brigade relentlessly assaulted an unidentified flying object in the skies above the city. They fired on it for over an hour. However, despite millions of eyewitnesses, various photographs and vivid descriptions of a lozenge-shaped disc in the sky that resembled a silver bug, the U.S. government claimed it was nothing more than a weather balloon. The same claim they would make 5 years later in Roswell, New Mexico. In the years and decades since, thousands of unidentified flying object claims have been reported, all of them denied. But in the end, I guess it's up to each and every one of you to decide whether you believe
these sightings were merely misunderstood man-made objects, or if we indeed have been visited by unknown beings.
I'm scared.
Scully.